Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find blocked people on your Facebook page. Here I'm going to show you how to do it in desktop mode. Let's go to the video. Here I have already switched into my Facebook page. Now click on your profile icon right here. Then go to settings and privacy. Go to settings. Then in the left side menu, here you can see settings and privacy. Scroll down, go to audience and visibility. Under that you can find blocking. Click on it. Here you can see manage blocking. Block profiles and pages. Click on edit. Here you can see your blocked list. Click on it. Then you can find your block list here. You can add users to block list or add followers to block list. Also you can unblock people here. That's how you can view blocked people on your Facebook page. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.